Matt. Rebel roll. $201. I can see. 201, open. You can go ahead and go down to the here in just a second. Yeah, copy. Oh.
Okay, what's the story on that? Why is it so open over?
Well, I'm gonna start filming that. Wait, Amtrak.
Man, are you on top of your game today or what? Alright, we're at the 14.5 over. Reverse to station, depart westbound. Signal indication on time. Engineer read. My friend dispatcher KLH over. Thank you, sir. Okay, 66 over. Sector 66, permission to open up and reverse. Let's go to 08. Roger.
Full traffic. What was that? Switch between cafe and business class. And how do you tell that from the outside?
Like the last first.
So the business class doesn't have to mingle with coach.
Business class is in the back or the front. But I think they're in the front. Different baggage.
Any locations: Williamsburg, Richmond and Main Street, Richmond Staples Mill, Fredericksburg, Quantico, and Alexandria. Also boarded location B, Bravo. For those passengers traveling coach class to Williamsburg, Richmond Main Street, Richmond Staples Mill, Fredericksburg, Quantico, and Alexandria. Also boarded location B, Bravo. Passengers traveling coach class to Washington, Williams, New Carrollton, BWI, Baltimore, Wilmington, Philadelphia, Newark, New York, New Haven, New London, Providence, Route 128. Final destination, Boston South Station. Please board at location C, Charlie. Once again, for those passengers traveling coach class to Washington, New Carrollton, BWI, Baltimore, Wilmington, Philadelphia, Newark, New York, New Haven, New London, Providence, Route 128. Final destination, Boston South Station. Please board at location C. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for traveling Amtrak.
Yes, track 480 right to
departure. Have a good evening.
Y291 over.
291.
Yeah, Carl, we're sitting right here at the West End receiving yard switch, lead switch and D-lead. We've got to cross your zone just on foot and lube those switches up. Would that be possible over?